Hey folks, Bill Walkowiak, Collision Safety Consultants, Post-Collision Repair Inspection, 2017 F-150. Customer said the vehicle was in the shop for 150 days, so he knew there was a problem. He brought it to us, said the shop wasn't aluminum certified, and then to borrow a welder. So I'm going to show you right here where they attempted to weld the panel in. And if you can go up the side, you can see none of these welds are holding. You go up to the top, there's your airbag. The problem with that, folks, is the airbag may deploy early, it may deploy late, or it may not go off at all. So if you come back here to the back of the vehicle, where they were supposed to rivet in the rear panel, you can see right here, they ripped them out and never put them back in. Then over on this side, it's not even holding. They didn't even get penetration. Folks, your vehicle is the number one investment you make next to your house. Make sure you get a post-collision repair inspection to keep your family safe.